Once again, welcome to my next video. Let us discuss the question answer of Ivan's story. Question number 5. This is an extract which is taken from the story. Somehow I knew that in order to live, I had to let my old life die. Now the question related to this line is, what had happened to mud and why? Answer: mud had been captured by human to be sold as a pet. Once again I am repeating the answer, boys. Listen. Mud had been captured by human to be sold as a pet. Our next question is, why did he have to let the old life die? Mud would never be able to go back to the forest and would have to live in captivity amongst humans. So, he had to accept his new life. Next line, question number 6. This is a line which is taken from the story. My life as a human was an exciting one, although my parents would not have approved. Now related to this line, two questions are given here, A and B. So I am reading question number A. Do you think Mud enjoyed his life with the humans? Answer to this question is, Mud was fascinated with the new experiences he has in his new life and found it all exciting. Once again I am repeating. Mud was fascinated with the new experiences he has in his new life and found it all exciting. Question number B. Why does he think his parents would not have approved? Answer: his parents had spent their life in the forest where they searched for their own food and lived independently. They would not have approved of a gorilla depending on someone else for food and shelter all his life. Now this is the last question of Ivan's story. See the line. Still sometimes I lay awake, wishing for the warmth of another just like me. Question is, what does mud mean in this line? Answer: the gorilla felt lonely and missed the companionship of his own life. Once again I am repeating. The gorilla felt lonely and missed the companionship of his own life. Next question, question number B. Was Mud truly happy in his life with the humans? Answer: no. Mud was not truly happy in his new surrounding, although he had adjusted well He missed his family and the forest. Once again I am repeating, boys. No, Mud was not truly happy in his new surrounding. Although he had adjusted well, he missed his family and the forest. Now, few instructions are given here. While writing the chapter in your copy, you must follow these instructions. Put unit number and chapter name. Students, you are going to put the unit number and the chapter name. Put date. Draw side margin line. Here I am showing you, this is called side margin line. So like this, you have to draw side margin line. Okay. Maintain index. Boys, you have to maintain the index in your copy. Send the picture of the index to my Google Classroom. So you will send the picture of the index to my Google Classroom. Google Classroom code I will send you once again in the WhatsApp group. So that's all for today. Hope you have understood the chapter well. All of you have done the question answers.